Hello everyone and welcome. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath because I've been working all day. So, just another update. You know how I said that it's really, absolutely horrible for me to do the electrical wiring and everything? Well, I have a big update because I have been slacking and I haven't been filming quite everything that I've been doing around here. So, here's an update. Thanks to my father who decided to donate some of his time and to help me out by helping me with the wiring. I finally finished, almost finished with the wall digging and the trench digging and everything. So let me just flip the phone and show you. And if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, share, and like. Okay, and here we are, and as you can see, this was the trench that I dug previously, but there have been a few updates. Meaning, look at all of that. All the wall sockets, I don't know what you call it, are not mounting it. All the wiring is done and it's put in place. And right now, all that is left is to make some cement and tidy up and put everything back in their holes. I have another wall socket that's going to come over here, and that's going to be the power socket for the air conditioner, which is going to come right over there. That one goes like that all the way there, across and down with the electrical wiring for the lamps, which is going to go all the way on that top. So let me just flip it. Yeah, there's that. Everything is done. All that is left is for us to mount the wall sockets, like I said, with cement. And that's what I'm gonna do now, but I'm not gonna film it. It's a really tight space and it's something that I don't really like. Okay, so I'm all cleaned up. I don't know if you could tell before, but I was really dirty. And I got even dirtier because I finished and I may have jumped the gun and set up everything, but let me show you what progress has been done today before I do the outro. So look at that, everything has been cemented. This was a pain in the ass to cement because I used a special type of quick drying cement that you're supposed to use. This, it's called Ipsos. I don't know what the translation in English is. And the point is, it was really fast drying. You had like 5 minutes working time with it. I don't know whether it's the fact that it was rather old, because my dad gave it from me whatever he had left from his renovation project. And yeah, I didn't buy because I needed a little bit. So we mounted these wall sockets in which the actual power socket will go, and they have been all cemented in there and they are fixed in position. It's gonna go all the way around, as you can see. We have there too, and everything has been mounted over this side and even that one. I haven't mounted the actual power sockets because I'm waiting for it to dry. That's the project for tomorrow. So yeah, that's the progress made. I know, let's flip the camera. I know, it's not exactly ideal and I have not been filming everything that I should be filming. But one, yeah, it's rather boring. Two, I have to problem solve each and everything I do. Like I said, this was like fast drying. We were shocked at how fast this thing was. Initially we made like quite a lot of quantity. We had to throw it out because it was already rock solid by the time I got it up here from making it downstairs. Just saying, yeah, it was a process. It was a learning process. It was really fun. So I did like very small batches and just plastered them and moved on to the next one. What else? It's been hectic. I also forgot to mention, yeah, you can see that thing up there if on the rafters. That will be the light plugs in the wiring, and that's done as well. I just haven't had a chance to hook a light to it and get it connected. And again, the socket is down there with all the wires coming out. It was gonna be a really fun because it's gonna have like on-off switch right next to the floor, because you're gonna climb up the stairs and just hit it, and then when you're up here already and want to turn off, you can just use your foot. Right. Some of the cablings have been, I already explained it. What else? I'm not going to film probably tomorrow when I'm out of wall socket. Maybe I'll make a video out of it and show you how to plug it, but it's really simple. You don't need me to teach you that if you're even the least bit DIY enthusiast. Mounting a wall socket is that. So, yeah, progress is going slow. One, have to work, no more days off. And two, it's really boring. Like I said, I was planning initially to get somebody to do this, but unfortunately, the few people I asked, none of them replied back with even an estimation of what it would cost. I'm guessing not a lot of people are willing to do all this tedious work, regardless of pay. Because electricians, they usually come for like a small job, and they don't want to get paid to spend like a week over here on one work site and just waste their time when they could be one job, quick payment, and be done with it. Like they were when they mounted my stuff, it was half a day's work and a lot of money. So I'm left with still doing everything on myself, but not because I can't. I'm bored or something like that, because I can't find anybody to do it, and I need it done at some point in time in the future, because it's rather nasty. But this is one step closer to having it done. Next up, I'm gonna have to do wiring on the entire first floor. That's gonna be fun. But the hardest part, from my point of view, is done, because this was a bit more difficult, because we had a lot of wiry thingies and a lot of power sockets and quite a few holes to dig, whereas on the bedroom is gonna be a lot less demanding. What else is there to say? Not much. So if you enjoyed my content and like these sort of updates, and I'm sorry I don't have that much DIY and progress to show or stuff, but it's been slow, really slow. Alright, that's it. If you stuck around to the end, thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Please subscribe, like, and share it to the friends. Going up, almost close to 160. I'm aiming for 500. Help me out. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Bye.